Forester at the 2023 Los Angeles Auto Show. The 6th generation SUV offers the most advanced features, modern design, and improved ride comfort in its history. The 2025 Forester will be available in base, premium, sport, limited, and touring trim levels when it arrives in Subaru retailers nationwide in spring 2024. The 2025 Forester has an all-new, sleek, contemporary design aesthetic while retaining the trademark looks of its classic, rugged predecessors. The front of the vehicle features a bold grille that merges into the compact LED headlights and creates an integrated shield effect. The all-new fascia also debuts the updated Subaru Star Cluster emblem. The SUV's bold shoulder line emphasizes height and strength, while its prominent wheel arches highlight its off-road capability. Front side and rear side underguards are standard with color finish according to trim level. The steep rear glass offers increased cargo capacity. The base and premium come standard with 17-inch alloy wheels. The Limited is equipped with 18-inch alloy wheels and the Sport and Touring upgrade to 19-inch alloy wheels. The all-new 2025 Forester was designed to combine the capability and versatility of a large SUV with the comfort and efficiency of a car. The 8.7-inch ground clearance for all Forester models is taller than many SUVs, yet it maintains a comfortably low step-in height for both front and rear passenger entry. The interior of the all-new Forester features a prominent multimedia system with integrated center information display. Contoured dash elements and textured trim pieces are intelligently designed to avoid visible damage from daily use. For the first time, the Subaru Starlink 11.6-inch Multimedia Plus system is available for Forester. The 11.6-inch high-resolution touchscreen is equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto with full-screen display. The versatile Forester features 60/40 split folding rear seatbacks. With both seatbacks down, the cargo area offers 74.4 cubic feet of usable space. The wide rear gate opening with low liftover height allows easy loading and unloading. Standard roof rails add more cargo carrying options for adventures. All 2025 Forester trim levels come standard with a 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer engine delivering 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. Standard on all Forester models is a Lineartronic continuously variable transmission with smoother and quieter performance.